Hi there, this is the video tutorial for page 5 in the acid-base homework packet. I'm going to do the ones that I have highlighted here for you today. So it's really important to understand how to determine whether something is an acid or a base. One of the first ways that we teach you how to recognize them is that acids start with a hydrogen and that bases end with a hydroxide. Okay, so when you're determining which is acid and which is base, look for the hydrogen, probably an acid. Look for the base, or look for the OH, and that's probably the base. So we're going to circle all these that are acids. So HCl, hydrochloric acid, has an H. Next one, does that have an H? Yup. No hydroxide in sight. That begins with an H, so that would be an acid also. There's my OH, okay, that's what I'm looking for when I'm determining if something is a base. So that, since it has that hydroxide on it, is a base. Next one, HF, acid. CaOH, there's my OH, so that must be a base. H2SO4, there's my hydrogen, so that is an acid. NaOH, there's my OH, so that is a base. LiOH, another base. HNO3, acid. MgOH2, so there's my last base. So that's how you tell if something's an acid or a base. That's an Arrhenius definition. For number 7, we're going to compare these two solutions. Solution number 3 has a pH of 11. That's a high pH, so that means it's probably a base. Solution 4 has a pH of 2. That is a low pH, so that is likely an acid. So which one of these has more hydrogen ions? Well, the definition of an acid is a substance that releases hydrogen ions in solution. So that is an acid. Acids will have more hydrogen ions. Which one would have less hydroxide? Well, if you've got more hydrogen and less hydroxide, you're still an acid. Which one tastes more bitter? Which one is more bitter? Well, a characteristic of bases is that they're bitter. Acids, rather than bitter, acids are sour tasting. Which one of these two solutions is more acidic? Well, that would be the one with the low pH. So that would be solution 4. There we go. I kind of messed up there. So which one has more hydrogen ions? That would be solution 4. Sorry, guys. Less hydroxide would also be solution 4. And which one is bitter? That would be solution number 3. Okay. Which one is more basic? Well, the pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. The lower the pH, the more acidic. The higher the pH, the more basic. So which one of these would be more basic? Which one would be on the other side, higher number? Well, that would be solution number 3. Which one turns red litmus paper blue? Well, I always tell my kids that bases go blue. So, which one would turn red litmus paper blue? That would be the one with a higher pH, the base. Okay, the last couple of questions that we're going to do, determining pH from concentration is pretty easy when you have 1 times 10 to the whatever that exponent is. Okay? It gets more complicated if this number is different than 1, but that's not something that we're going to deal with in this class. So since it's 1 times 10 to the minus second, you leave that sign alone, you don't mess with it, and that 2 tells me what the pH is. Remember up here I had told you that acids, bases are high. Acids are lower numbers. You're 7, neutral. So if it's between 0 and 7, that must be an acid. So it is acidic. 1 times 10 to the minus 5, well, I'm looking at that number to determine my pH. My pH is 5. Where is it? Is it between 0 and 7 or 7 and 14? Well, it's between 0 and 7, so that must be an acid, and it would be acidic. Okay, finish the rest of your homework.